I believe that each of us is born with a unique life purpose. Identifying, acknowledging, and honoring this purpose is perhaps the most important action successful people take. They take the time to understand what they're here to do, and then they pursue that with passion and enthusiasm. For some of us, our purpose and passion in life are obvious and clear. We're born with a set of talents, and through persistent practice, we develop our talents into skills. For other people, though, it's not as easy to identify a passion. You may even have asked yourself at one point or another, what should I do with my life? What is my passion? Or what is my life purpose? Alternatively, you may enjoy what you do, but on deeper exploration, discover that you are passionate about something completely different than what you do. Today, I'm gonna explain to you how to find your true purpose in life. Okay, we are all born with a deep and meaningful purpose that we have to discover. Your purpose is not something you need to make up, it's already there. You have to uncover it. In order to create the life you want, you can begin to discover your passion or purpose by exploring 4 things. Find your Ikigai. Ikigai is a Japanese term which, loosely translated, means a reason to live. Let me explain to you with this diagram where we can understand the intersection between 4 main areas of our lives. Ikigai is the common ground between what we love, what the world needs, what we are good at, and what we can get paid for. Discovering and realizing this will not happen overnight. Only by working overtime, we will continue to grow and improve in our chosen fields or professions. And because our Ikigai is our choice, we can feel a sense of independence over the journey. It is often not something huge or extraordinary, which makes it accessible and realistic for many people. In that way, it also improves our comfort because we are always working towards something meaningful. To create your Ikigai, start with each of the 4 main parts of the circle. Write down the activities and subjects you love and the things you are expert at. Next, think about what the world needs, specifically from you. Finally, what can you be paid for in relation to your skill and experience? Next, start making connections between each of the areas. For example, what do you love that the world needs? What are you good at that can be your income? Decrypt those questions will help you identify ways of achieving a balance within the circles. When you feel that you have an adequate sense of yourself, brainstorm a few things that could be your Ikigai, or how all those areas would intersect, and what that looks like in your life. Then ask yourself what you need to start and stop doing to get there. Alright, I think your vision will be more transparent. Now let's go through the second element. Disown your fears. While the Ikigai exercise is a great way to start brainstorming our life purpose, it can be massive to try to realize it. We tell ourselves a lot of stories about what we can and can't do. It's unbelievable how fear holds us back from achieving our goals and kill our confidence. But keep in your mind that taking action leads to increased confidence. Fear creates this vicious cycle that keeps us from realizing our goals. Start by making a list of your fears in relation to finding your purpose. Next, identify the evidence that proves your fears wrong. What lie is your fear trying to tell you? Check out this example. Fear: I am afraid that people will laugh at me or tell me I'm crazy for following my passion. Evidence: I have a great family and wonderful friends who have always supported me in various stages of my life. Now let's go to the third element. Claim your values. Once you have erased your fears about pursuing your purpose, you can begin to identify your core values. Start by making a list of everything, then narrow that list down to 5 of your most deeply held values. Looking at your list, think about how your current life and work support this, and reflect these importance. How do they show up for you on a daily basis? Next, think about which values you may be ignoring, or not giving enough attention to it in your current situation. How can you bring more attention to them? 4. Take powerful action. Which brings me to the final step. We can't begin to live our purpose without taking action. The difference between where we are and where we want to go is what we do. Start by identifying where you fall on that continuum. Then, think about where you would like to be tomorrow. Next, break down that goal into 12 concrete actions or changes you need to make. Grab a calendar and assign one action for each month for the next year. By focusing on just one area of improvement per month, our goal becomes more manageable, and we are more likely to follow through with these small actions. Finding our life purpose doesn't have to be a pie-in-the-sky dream. We can all discover our life purpose if we give ourselves the time and space to consider these powerful concepts. We can find what's missing and take realistic, manageable steps to bring more of that into our lives. How would you live differently if you discovered your life purpose? Drop a comment below. Thank you for watching this video and especially learning a new attitude. If you will implement this to your mindset, please give the video a like, so I know how many of you try to be 1% closer to their goals. My goal this year is to hit 20,000 subscriber, which, let's be honest, I don't think it's going to happen, but if we can hit 500 likes on this video, it would be perfect. See you guys in the next few days. Stay strong.